everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a favorites video. This is going to be my February favorites. I haven't done a favorites video in forever, but if you saw my last Etsy haul, you will know that I got a planner insert from the 1407 planners for a traveler's notebook, which I just started using. So the insert looks like this. This one isn't written in, but yes, I just picked a month it wasn't written. And yeah, I decided to start doing favorites videos again. So yes, let's just jump into the favorites videos. This is going to be a kind of random mishmash, but I figure I would try and start doing them again. I liked favorites videos. It is one of my most watched videos. So yeah, let's get started with it. Since I'm already holding it, this is my traveler's notebook. I bought it secondhand off a buy sell trade group on Facebook. Let's see if I can get it straight. This is in the number 4 personal size. I think it is, I forget what, I don't know. It's like a botanical leather. I have no idea. I thought I found it. There weren't many people selling personals. If you want a full flip through of this, I'd be happy to do so, but I am thinking of getting another traveler's notebook. I don't know which one yet. So I'll just go over some of the stuff that's on here really fast. I just picked up this charm, this star charm from Kelly Eva Designs. I love stars on the side. I have more charms. I have a snowflake charm. I think this was from the 1407 box that I picked up that you probably saw in one of my Vlogmas videos. I'll try to leave a link up there. This is a Harry Potter charm from Botanical I when she did one of those special bundles. This is my page marker that I kind of made in the PlannerChan style. So this is like on PlannerChan style with the pockets and stuff. So this page marker I think is from the PlannerShack. This is just a generic pocket. The stickers are from Target. This paper is from Target pad. The washi tape is from Target. Sorry, it looks a little funky. These coffee cups are from the 1407. This pen loop is from Kelly Eva Designs. I think I got it to stick. I had to use some Gorilla Glue because some of hers weren't, the first one wasn't sticking. This art print of Stitch, I don't remember where it's from. I did pick it up from a shop print that was at one of our fairs this over the summer. This bow is a page marker from the PlannerShack and just more stickers from Target. I also have another pen loop over here, which is also from Kelly Eva Designs. That was a replacement, and this is just a white Pengem, which I can't remember which refill I have in there. But it was also in my January Etsy haul, which I bought a whole bunch from Jet Pens. Next up in here, I probably just picked these up, but these are Cadbury mini eggs. I just picked up another bag yesterday, which you will probably see in my upcoming vlog about treats I eat for the Enchantathon. But yes, these are Cadbury mini eggs. I love them. This is probably my second bag this Easter, and I use this like when I eat and stuff for a quick treat. Next thing that I've been loving for this month are these shoes. These are from Target also. I picked them up kind of on a whim during December. I was still breaking them in. They are black and white. They are like that knockoff loafer type. The elastic I noticed is stretching, so one thing to note when you are buying them. So yes, the elastic stretches, so mine is stretching a bit. I've also been wearing them a lot, so yes, now they're a little big. So I might need to get thicker socks. But anyways, as I've probably talked about, if you watch my plan with me's, I did change jobs this month. So my former co-workers and friends got me this gift. It is from Boxlunch. I think they have a website box, and I'll try and leave it down a link down below. But this is just a Harry Potter stationery set. They know that I'm obsessed with Harry Potter, so it comes with some wooden stamps, some jumbo binder clips, and stamp pad, magnets that say 9 3/4, some lightning bolt paper clips, a notepad and some washi tape, which is super cute. Oh, here is the back of that. And I'll be right back. Okay, back. Let's jump into the makeup products that I've been loving all month long. I've been loving the Beauty Blender. This is, I can't remember which one. I thought this was the Real Techniques one, but one of their beauty sponges. I've been really loving this, especially for putting on my Wet n Wild foundation. This is their Photo Focus foundation, and my color is golden beige. I'm not wearing it right now. I'm actually wearing the Physician Formula BB cream right now because I need to buy foundation, and then it's been really hot here too. Also, I have also a long time loved this Physicians Formula eye booster pen in ultra black. It's kind of expensive for the drugstores, but I really do love this for doing my wing liner on the top, which I'm not wearing today. As I've probably talked about, these are the two lipsticks that I've been loving all month long. This is the ModelCo lipstick, which looks like that. It is also in my lip service project pan, which I've been trying to wear a lot more. And I've also been loving this MAC lipstick in Japanese maple, and it looks like that. I don't do swatches. I'm really bad at it. Sorry for that. But some other makeup products that I've also been loving. One is this highlighter from TheBalm. It's called the Maryloumanizer. This is what the packaging looks like. It has a really nice mirror, and this is what the product looks like. As you can tell, I've made quite a significant pan on it. It's a very nice, I'm wearing it right now, this highlighter. So yeah, loving that. Another thing I've been loving is this Hourglass primer. This is what it looks like. It's since I've been going cruelty free, Hourglass does make cruelty free products. I've been loving this mineral primer. It looks really great under my Photo Focus foundation and all the other foundations I have, although I haven't tried it under my BB cream yet. So that is something that I'm looking forward to trying. Also, what else is there? Oh, this Essence Lash Princess mascara has definitely been one of my favorites, the one I've been using. The only thing about it that I don't like is I feel like sometimes my lashes get clumpy, and especially like on the second and third coat, and I feel like my eyes get worn out and really tired. So, but I really like the wand on this. So it looks like that. Very good. Helps keeps my lashes fluffy and very lifted. So hopefully the Ulta that is supposed to be coming to Hawaii will open very soon. Next up is the newest concealer that I found, which I bought at Ulta when I was in Las Vegas over Christmas. Same with my Essence mascara. Is the Tarte Shape Tape. Yes, all the claims are true. I bought into the hype to try it, and I love it. Love it, love it. I got mine in the shade Light Medium Honey. Love it. I can't recommend it enough. It's definitely something I would definitely repurchase. The next thing that I've been loving lately is my Pixi Natural Brow Duo. This is in the color Dark Soft Black. I usually get it in dark brown, which blends with my eyebrows a little better. I am wearing this color right now, and I love it. It's just great. I love the gel. I kind of wish they sold the gel separately because the pencil is something that I tend to run out of faster than the gel. Last two things in this favorites video, so I'm loving. I started using my Maybelline Master Kajal eye pencil in Onyx Black lately. I don't know if they still make this. I had this for a while, which is probably really bad, but I've been loving this lately for keeping my applying eyeliner on my lower lash line. Really nice. It's been keeping, especially since it's been so humid and wet, it's been keeping my eyeliner on so I don't look like I have panda eyes. And for keeping my eyeshadow in place, I've been using the Milani eye primer, definitely hyped up from Emily Noel 83. So yeah, those are all of my favorites. I think I will try and do these more often and soon. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon in another video. Let me know if you like these videos, or if you want me to be more organized, or you don't want me to do them at all. Hello if you're a new subscriber. And yeah, if you aren't keeping up with me on social media, please do so. All those links are in the end card, and I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye!